Have you thought about 3D printing your own Seraphon Start Collecting box? Let me show you how I made mine. Hello and welcome to Getting Handsy, this is Bob Bosk. Lizardmen have always been one of my favorite looking armies, but I've never had a chance to actually have any until now. Now there are a bunch of different options for Lizardmen, and here are some of them. But in the end, I ended up going with Raven Twin. They have a bunch of different themed fantasy armies that you could use for proxies for a number of things. Now back to the box. First we're going to need our troops, the Saurus Warriors. So for those I used Raven Twin's modular Saurus Warriors. They come with swords, shields, spears, and a command squad. I ended up connecting them and just making one-piece models to print because, again, I'm lazy and don't like printing out separate pieces. If I did again though, I'd probably take off the little scenic base things and print those separately. Anyway, here's how my warriors turned out. They're nice and detailed, and I think they look way better than the current official sculpts. I only use speed paints on these, so that's why they look the way they do, I guess. Moving on, we need some Saurus Knights. For these, I used the Raptor Riders and the Raptor Riders Command. I think these turned out really nice as well. I think it would be fun to go even more vibrant with these. The closest I got was that orange, and I think you could go even farther, and it would be pretty cool. And last but not least, we need our Saurus Old Blood on Carnosaur. Now, Raven Twin has two options for this. They're both called Carnosaurs. Now, I actually liked the look of the Carnosaur from the first one, but the second one has a rider with multiple weapon options. So because I had both, I mixed and matched them. The saddles connect a little bit differently to each Carnosaur though, so I had to use some green stuff to connect them. Once painted, you can't even tell that it didn't belong on there. The red speed paint really made this pop as well. I think it looks really, really good. So there you have it, the original Start Collecting Seraphon box versus my 3D printed one. I think the sculpts on the Saurus Warriors for the 3D printed ones are just so much better than the current official ones that this is by far the best way to go. So there you go, one more crossed off our list. Did you like these models? Do you know of any that are better? Let me know those and what you want to see next down in the comments. As always, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching.